Good morning and welcome to Trading Hour. I am Reema Tendulkar and with me is Sonia Shenoy. Hi Sonia, things are looking up for the markets, right? We're up close to about 150 points on the Nifty. The sensex has surged more than 500 points. And now we're only talking about when we're going to scale those all-time high levels of more than 18,350. But today there is considerable strength coming in from the rest of the Asian markets. So pull up the strength coming through from Asia, where you have markets in Hang Seng up close to about 3.5%. But even the others, the Taiwanese, the Korean, Straits, the Chinese markets too, after the surprise increase in the Kaizen manufacturing PMI, it's still in contraction zone, but there is a significant increase on a month-on-month basis, and that's fueled the positive surprise coming through on Shanghai as well. And since I think you're also looking at that 52-week high, I was doing a quick check. The last time the Nifty was at the 52-week high level was in January of 2022. And from that level, if you map the stocks which have contributed to the up move, it's Adani Enterprise. So I think we can pull up that chart. Adani Enterprise has been one big mover. Apart from that, ITC from Jan to now has been up close to about 50-odd%. And a couple of the other big movers will also, let's get that table up on our screen. That's the high level. ITC, Coal India, these are some of the big movers that we've seen from the 52-week high level. In the banking pack, Axis Bank, in the auto, M&M, Eicher Motors, both of them have moved up nearly 40-50% from the January levels. On the losing side, it's the IT. IT has been struggling, so names like Wipro, Tech Mahindra, TCS are down compared to those January high levels, and quite significantly, a couple of these oil and gas names like BPCL and ONGC, and Hindalco too has struggled. It's 52-week high. From its 52-week high, from its level that it was on 18th Jan, it's down about 17%.
Absolutely. But you know what? It's like been a fabulous Diwali and now an early Christmas, right? For traders, for investors. So great going for the markets and new highs inside. Welcome back, Reema. Last week as well, 3 days running, there's been large foreign investor buying as well, right? So, the huge figures, what we saw yesterday, but even if you put it together, 8,500 crores in just 3 trading sessions. So India is standing tall and whichever way you slice it, right, things have been looking good on the macro front as well. Earnings season has gotten off to a fabulous start, mostly whether it's financials, whether it's capital goods, largely with IT as well, earnings have been good. But all eyes will now be on the Fed's policy decision tomorrow. I think by and large that 75 basis points interest rate hike has been priced in. So, in that context, if that comes through, it won't be a negative surprise, at least for our own markets. But let's see which way things go. For now, the bulls have tightened their grip a little more on this market, and it's just a matter of when and not if this market hits all-time highs. So even the banks, right? They have played a big part in this rally that we're seeing. In fact, the bank Nifty, as we speak, is also very close to its all-time high. So let's tell you what's on the show this morning. It's an action-packed day. Strong session of trade. The Nifty is comfortably above the 18,100 mark, led by pharma stocks and PSU banks. Mid-caps are relative underperformers. We'll discuss the road ahead for the market with Sunny Agarwal of SBI Securities.